guys hear the music? Are you jamming? I feel sort of out of character because usually when I come to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, I dress in theme, and today I'm just a Disney World dresser, not an Animal Kingdom Lodge dresser. But we're here for breakfast at the Mara, and it should be delicious. Let's eat. So cool. Alright guys, what are you feeling? Adventurous or pastries? I'm feeling like some zebra domes. Oh my gosh. I might also be feeling like a zebra cupcake. That's so beautiful. These are cute too. Wow, look at the cakes. I love these leaves overhead, the way it's like just a giant forest in here. It's so cool. Wow, you can get a mimosa with Graham Beck sparkling wine for breakfast. Why not? And look at those coffees. Look at those coffees. I kind of want to stand by. Look next at plant-based. Oh wow, a little mandarin package down there. Who's restocking the zebra domes. Lots of drinks and juices. These beautiful Mickey waffles. This croissant sandwich actually looks delish. I got the babochi, which says it has sausage, but then it said it was plant-based, so it's vegan. It's not real sausage, but it looks delicious. This is such a pretty dining area, just tucked back here. You guys know Disney breakfasts should always include a cupcake. Oh, I got a nice sunflower there. a little cross section. Dart says it tastes like a zebra dome.
Maybe it's just my imagination.
Bold words, bold words. We have to visit Martin and Osa. But look, we could do a blind taste test to see how much it really tastes like. You know what? The cream inside there actually is super moussey. I wonder if it's possible it could be the same mousse kind of cream. The cupcake does not have an alcoholic kick at all, but the zebra dome, of course, does have a little bit of liqueur in it. That was such a nice cupcake, though. The icing is super good, and then the mousse inside is super good as well. 10 out of 10. What a gorgeous day. Blue sky. These palm fronds are so amazing and they make the perfect wall. So sitting in there is just so pleasant and peaceful. I love it when I look down and see a mousier shadow, because then I know I'm at Disney World. You know, I've never actually hung out in Victoria Falls, but it's pretty great, isn't it? Aren't those guys weird? Look at these guys, so weird. Wow, I'd never quite realized that Ogun's fire pit is right there. They need like a little drink elevator that could like lift your drink up to you and deliver it to you at Ogun's fire pit. Whoa, this is a long piece of art. Oh, it doesn't have a sign. They almost always have a sign. I don't think I've ever appreciated this one before. The Animal Kingdom Lodge has so much amazing art down like every single trail. It's so much fun to just explore. It's like a museum, basically. Oh wow, look, they have their charger station hidden back here. My fuel rod. Should I exchange my fuel rod? I did recharge. I did actually use my fuel rod this morning to recharge. Might as well swap it out. Swap. Hey! Insert empty fuel rod. Oh, there we go. Perfect. This is the best mail drop in all of Walt Disney World. Look, it's our friend, yours and mine, Osa Johnson, Martin and Osa. It's actually so much more fun sitting in here now and like visiting Martin and Osa. Before I was just like, oh, there's that cool zebra print book in the Sunset Lounge. I need to look it up. But now like, I feel like I know them. I know their story. It's such a great story. We've watched some of their movies. Their movies are fantastic. Like they're just so much fun. Is this a coffee thing? I think it is. Post in the comments. I think it would be fun to make coffee in that thing. We also have our friend over here. Well, see, there are all Martin and Osa's photographs. But we have our friend here too. The little dragonfly. If by some bizarre chance you've never heard me mention Martin and Osa, then you obviously need to catch up on some of my past vlogs. But they were, in the 20s and 30s, they were this couple, husband and wife team of explorers, of photographers. They were kind of the world's first travel bloggers. They like went out and took photos and videos. And then like when sound became a thing, they did videos with sound. They learned how to fly a plane so that they could get these incredible aerial shots. In fact, one of the planes was painted striped, zebra stripes, like Osa's book, which is kind of fabulous. Looks kind of quiet out here today. Oh, I think there are some birds out in the distance there. Some rooms up there. It always smells like food when you come out here because I think the cast cafeteria is like right down in here somewhere. So it always smells kind of tasty. I Oh, those colored railings. So pretty. You know, I totally thought all of the chairs were zebra designs, but look at this. That was a lion, and that, can you see it? Looks like a giraffe. And yet I think are these new? Who's that up there? I can't quite tell. Another giraffe? See, there's the zebra that I recognize. That is so weird. We've stayed here so many times and I thought they were all zebra. I don't remember ever seeing a different design. I wonder if it goes by floor. Oh my goodness. Were you guys sitting there this entire time? And I did not even notice you. Wow. Fun fact, Osa Johnson once hard-boiled an ostrich egg, or attempted to, and after 5 hours, it was still only soft-boiled. When do you think they'll add hard-boiled ostrich egg to the menu at the Mara? Osa loved to fish. We should totally go on a fishing trip.
How did she turn out?
Osa was like obsessed with fishing. I'm not kidding.
Impervious to discomfort.
Yeah, yeah.
How does one achieve that?
And had perfect lipstick. She was just amazing. Oh, I just now noticed the stool I was sitting on. It was really cool. I like the design. How many times have I looked at this display and I've never noticed how huge that safety pin is? Do you see that? Like, look, there's my hand. For comparison, it's practically as big as my hand. That's insane. I don't think I remember this. I wonder if this piece is new or if it's been in storage for a while. Look at those birds. That's incredible.